Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix iPhone not getting notifications. Here are the steps to fix an iPhone that's not getting any notifications. First is to open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Notifications, then scroll down and tap on the app. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on for the apps you want alerts from. Under each app, on Alert section, check that lock screen, Notification Center, and banners are all enabled. Ensure the sound and badges options are turned on if you want sound or icon alerts. Now go back to Settings, then Focus. Check if Do Not Disturb or any focus mode like sleep or work is active. If yes, turn it off. Or add apps or contacts to allow notifications. Go to Settings again, Notifications, Scheduled Summary, and make sure it's off if you want instant notifications. Open Settings, Sounds and Haptics, and confirm the ringtone and alerts volume isn't muted. Check the side mute switch above the volume buttons. Flip it off if you see orange, which means silent mode is on. If using low power mode, go to Settings, Battery, and turn it off since it can limit background activity. Restart your iPhone to apply all the changes and test notifications from a few apps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.